Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use routers in Make in 2026. Routers let you split a single automation into multiple paths, so different actions can happen based on your conditions. Let's go through the setup step by step. First, open your web browser, sign in to your Make account, and open the scenario where you want to use a router. Make sure your trigger module is already configured and working correctly. Next, click the plus icon after the module where you want to split the workflow. From the list of available tools, select Router. This will create multiple branches in your scenario. Now click the plus icon on each branch to add the modules you want to run. For example, one branch can send an email, another can update Google Sheets, and another can send a Slack message. Next, add a filter to each route by clicking the connection between the router and the module. Set conditions that determine when each branch should run, such as checking a status, value, or specific field from the trigger data. Once your routes and filters are configured, click Run once to test the scenario. Verify that the correct branch runs based on the data received and that each module performs the expected action. If everything works properly, save your scenario and switch it on. Your router will now automatically direct incoming data through the appropriate workflow, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use routers and Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.